When it comes to modern banking, Lunar and traditional banks serve the same purpose, but the way they operate couldn't be more different. Lunar is a digital-first bank designed for convenience, speed, and accessibility. Opening an account is completely online, with no need to visit a physical branch. Accounts are free to set up, and you can manage everything through the Lunar app, from transfers to budgeting tools. Monthly fees are minimal or non-existent depending on the plan, and the app provides real-time notifications for every transaction, giving users full control of their finances at their fingertips. Lunar also offers competitive features like instant card freezing, currency exchange at near market rates, and integrated savings pots to help manage money efficiently. Traditional banks, on the other hand, rely heavily on physical branches. They offer a wide range of financial products beyond basic checking and savings accounts, including mortgages, investment options, and business loans. Customer support is often available in person, which some users prefer for complex issues. Fees tend to be higher, with monthly maintenance charges, overdraft fees, and sometimes hidden charges for certain services. Transactions may take longer, and account management is often a mix of online and offline processes. Lunar stands out for tech-savvy users who value speed, transparency, and digital management. Traditional banks remain relevant for those who need comprehensive services and in-person support. In terms of cost, Lunar's minimal fees and free features give it an edge over traditional banks, which may charge $5 to $15 monthly for basic accounts. Accessibility, low fees, and modern financial tools make Lunar a strong choice for everyday banking, while traditional banks are better suited for customers seeking complex financial solutions or long-term investment options. Choosing between Lunar and traditional banks depends entirely on personal priorities, convenience and cost efficiency versus comprehensive services and physical support.